learn about the next concept, large numbers in practice. Okay, so before going to that, we have learned units of measurements in our earlier classes, is it? Yes. So we use centimeter to measure the length of a pen and the width of a book, is it? Yes. So I want to measure the width of a pen or the thickness of a pen. So centimeter is too big unit. So we have to use another one unit, that is millimeters. Okay. And for example, I want to measure the length of a classroom. So if I want to measure the length of a classroom, the centimeter and millimeter is two small units. So we use the other one unit, that is meter. Is it? Yes. And also we have to stay to distance between the two cities. So the meter is also too small. So we use the other unit, that is kilometer. Millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Then let's see what is the relationship between these four units. 1000 meter, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Then 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. Then 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, and also we can say it in millimeters. That is 100 into 10, which is equals to 1000 millimeters. Then next 1 kilometer is equals to, we know that 1000 meters. So we have to convert into centimeter. This, which is equals to 1000 into 100, which is equals to 1 lakh centimeter. Then 1 kilometer is equals to 1 lakh centimeter. So I want to convert into millimeters. Then 1 lakh into 10 millimeters, which is equals to 10 lakh millimeters. Yes. Then the next one is mass or weight. Let's see. When we go to market to buy the sugar, rice, wheat, etc., we buy these items in kilograms. But items like ginger, chilies, spices, etc., are measured in grams. Yes, in order to measure the weight of a compound or chemical in medicines, we use smaller unit called milligram. Then the following are the relation between these three units. That is 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. Then 1 kg is equals to how many milligrams? That is 1000 into 1000, which is equals to 10 lakh milligrams. Okay. Then capacity and value. We buy milk in liters, whereas liquid, medicines, etc. are measured in millimeters. The following relation shows that the two units, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters.
Here, kilo shows 1000 times greater and 1 milli shows 1000 times smaller and 1 centi shows 100 times smaller.
We have done a lot of problems based on that addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we are going to solve now the problems on the basis of the large numbers in practice. Let's start the exercise 1.2 in the third question. What is the third question here? Is in an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? Here, what they given here for the election, in that the successful candidate registered means he secured 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival means here opposite party. The opposite party secured 3,48,700 votes. In that, by how much votes he got success, he win in the election. So we have to find out that. We know that by how much we have to, in that by what margin did the successful candidate win in the election, means we have to do subtraction. Okay, let's write the solution. Number of votes here 77,500. Okay, then next number of votes for rival candidate. Then number of votes for rival candidate which is equals to, that is 3,48,700. So here we have to find out the difference. And the difference is equals to subtract here 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 7, you can subtract 10, borrow 10, it will become 15, 15 minus 7, 8, come on, then here there will be a 6, 6 minus 8 you cannot subtract, then 10, borrow, still it will become 16, 16 minus 8 is 8, then here there is 6, 6 minus 4 is 2, then at last here 5 minus 3 is 2. Yes. Therefore at last by how much margin? Margin by which? Margin by which candidate wins? Which is equals to 2,28,800 votes. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Then the next problem is fifth one. Find the difference between the greatest and the least. Least means smallest. Smallest 5-digit number that can be written using the digits. Here they are given the digits, that is 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. Each only once. Okay, so here given there are 5 digits. By using these digits, we have to find out the difference between the greatest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. Here least means smallest 5-digit number. Yes, let's solve the problem. Solution. First write greatest 5-digit number using the digits are 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, which is equals to, yes, how can you find the greatest number? Before I said that in the highest place value. So when we are going to arrange the numbers in the greatest number, so we have to arrange greatest number at first. Here the greatest digit is 7. 7 after 6, then next 4, then next 3 and 2. That is 76,432. Similarly, smallest 5-digit number using the digits similarly same 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, which is equal to, yes, now we have to print the smallest number. When we are going to print the smallest number, the smallest digit comes at first, that is 3, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. Yes, 1 stays 100, come on, 23,467. So here we have to find difference. Difference means we have to do the subtraction. Yes, here the difference is equals to difference is equals to 76,000 is the greatest number, so we have to first start 432 minus 23,467. Okay, so you can do subtraction and write 76,432 minus 23,467. Then subtract here 2 minus 7. We cannot subtract, so we have to take borrow. After it becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Then here there is a 2. So 2 minus 6 we cannot subtract. So take 1 borrow. 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Then next here there will be 3. So 3 minus 4 we cannot subtract. Again take borrow. It will become 13. 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 is how much? That is 9. Then next here there will be 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then 7 minus 2 is 5. What is the difference here? That is 52,965. 52,965. Okay. Is it clear? Then the next question is, a student multiplied 7,236 by 65. Instead of multiplying by 56, by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Here actually the students has to multiply 7,236 by 56. So he has written wrong, that he has 65. So what is the difference and how much his answer is greater than the correct answer? So we have to multiply first these two numbers and after we have to subtract the answer. Okay, let's try. First for this wrong multiplication. It is the he multiplied wrong by 65. Wrong multiplication is is 7,236 into 65. Then the right multiplication is equal to, that has to multiply by 56. 7,236 into 56. Now the difference. I will show one of the easiest method to you. So else you can also find out the product of these two numbers and these two numbers. Then finally you can subtract. And the other method is difference is equals to 7,236 into 65. I said that difference is what? Minus 7,236 into 56. Okay, once you answer, here also here to carry. Then 9 7 are 63. 63 plus 2, 65. Therefore, wrong answer is greater than the right answer. The right answer by 65,120. Is it clear? Yes. Then the next follow-up is 9th question. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed out of 40 meter cloth. How many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Here there is a 40 meter cloth. In that, to stitch one shirt, we need 2 meter 15 centimeter. So in this out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much of cloth, what is the length of the cloth will remain? So we have to find it. First write down the given sentence. To stitch a shirt, we need 2 meter 15 centimeter. Length of cloth solution. Length of cloth needed to stitch a shirt. That is how much? That is 2 meter 15 centimeter. 2 meter 15 centimeter. So we can also convert this 2 meter 15 centimeter. That is equals to 2 meter is 2 into, we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Why we have to convert it to centimeter? Why? Because here 15 centimeter, it is a smaller unit. So we have to convert 15 centimeter to the meter, otherwise meter to the centimeter. It is easy to convert it to the centimeter. Let's take 2 meter means 200 centimeter plus 50 centimeter, which is equals to 215 centimeter. Okay. Then out of cloth, total length of a cloth is 40 meter. Total length of cloth. Which is equals to, that is 40 meter. It is also in the meter, so we have to convert into the centimeter. So we know that 40 meter. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 40 meter is into 100, which is equals to 4 1 jar 4. Here there are the 3 zeros. Write it as it is. 1 2 3. That is 4000 centimeter. Then how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Then let's see the how many shirts can be stitched. Number of shirts can be stitched. Number of shirts can be stitched is equals to 4000. then divided by 250. Then divide here. 250. Here 4000. Yes. Here there are the 3 digits. So we have to take the 3 digits. So 215 1 jar 250. Then subtract 0 minus sorry. In the tens, 10 minus 5 is 5. Here there is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Then here there is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then take the 0 downside. Then next multiply. So here we have to take the rough 250 into 8. 8 by 40. 4 here. 4. 8 1 8. 8 plus 4 12. Then 8 to the 16. 16 plus 1 70. So it is the nearest number. Then take 18,720. Then subtract here 5 0 minus 0 0. 5 minus 2 3. 8 minus 7 1. Then 0. So here how many shirts can we stitch using the 40 meter cloth? That is 18. Then the remaining cloth is 130 centimeters. Yes, right here. Number of shirts can be stitched is equals to 18. Then the remaining cloth. Remaining cloth which is equals to 130 centimeter. You can also write in meters and centimeter. So I will split here 100 plus 30 centimeter. 100 centimeter means we know that 1 meter 30 centimeter. Is it clear? So the next example is plan question, that is the distance between the school and the house of the student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Actually what they are given, the distance between the school and the house of a student is 1 kilometer 875 meter. And then she walks in the both ways. In the same way she will go 2 times and find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Then totally how much distance she covers in the 6 days. Let's see once solution. First we have write the distance between school and house. Distance between school and the house, which is equals to 1 kilometer 875 meter. So here we have to convert kilometer to meter, otherwise meter to kilometer. So kilometer to meter conversion is very easy. Then convert it. 1 kilometer is equals to how many meters? That is 1000 meters. 1000 meter plus 875 meter, which is equals to 1875 meters. Okay, the distance between the school and the house is 1875 meters. And also they given that every day she walks in both ways. Is it? Every day she walks in both ways. Then in one day, how much distance she covered? Let's see. She covered distance 1 day. Okay. Then next, she covered the distance in 6 days. Total distance covered by her in 6 days. Total distance covered by her in 6 days, which is equals to 1875 into 2. Write it as it is. It is for 1 day. Then for the 6 days we have to multiply by 6, which is equals to 1875 into 2 6 are 12. Then you can multiply directly by 12. Then multiply right side 1875 into 12. 2 5s are 10. Carry 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 15. 2 8 are 16. 16 plus 1 17. Then 2 1 are 2 plus 1 3. Then plus 1 5s are 5. 1 7s are 7. 1 8 are 8. 1 1 are 1. Then add here 0. 5 plus 5 10. 7 plus 7 14. 14 plus 1 15. Carry 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 3 12. Carry 1 plus 1 2. The total distance covered by her in 6 days is equals to 22,500 meter. She covered the distance in 6 days is equals to 22,500 meter. You can also convert into kilometers and meters. 22,500. I will stick here 22,000 plus 500. Okay, 22,000. 22 into 1000 plus 500. 22 into 1000. 1000 meter means that is kilometer. 22 kilometer 500 meter. So she covered 22 kilometer and 500 meters in 6 days. Okay, is it clear? Up to here I solved examples. Then the remaining examples you can solve in your class.